welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this beautiful look, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. If you have not still subscribed to my channel then please subscribe, like my videos and share with your friends. I have already uploaded 3 videos which is of special for Navratri. First video with grey color, grey saree and all, and second is for orange and third for white. And today I'm going to create this red saree look with this beautiful look. You can create this look for any festival look. And I always create a look like it is versatile and you can wear it anywhere. And I create such type of looks that you can really wear to everybody. So yes, further ado, let's get started. If you like this look, please hit a like button and please share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. I'm going to hit 1,000 subscribers really soon. It's just going to get 200 subscribers more. Please help me out and help me to get more subscribers, and just 200 then we are going to get 1,000. All the products, all the links of the products, what I have used for my face, my contour, everything, it is linked down below in the description box. Please go and check it out, and if you have any of the questions then please comment. I will be really happy to help you out. For moisturizing my skin, I'm going to take the MAC Strobe Cream. It's really good. It moisturizes my skin, and it is a little bit of illuminating side, so it's really nice. The shade is Pink Light. I will moisturize my skin really nicely with this strobe cream, and then I'm going to use my Smashbox primer for my under eyes, face, everywhere. This is the best primer I use, and if you want to go for a good primer, this is one expensive side, but if you are a bride or if you want a really good primer for your functions and all, for your marriages, for your events, and this is the best primer to go. Invest a penny of it. It will just get you boom. It will just give you a really smooth canvas. I love this primer very much. Then I'm going with my concealer. This is Maybelline Concealer 25 shade number medium, and just apply it all over your under eye and blend it with the beauty blender, and this gives you a really nice coverage. It is affordable also, and if you are a bride or if you are a makeup lover, then you should use this Maybelline concealer. It is the best concealer. Next, I'm going to add up one more concealer which is from Maybelline itself, and the shade number is 10 Light, and I just want to put up this concealer because I want to brighten up my eyes, because today I'm going to do a black smoky eye, and I just want my base to be really even and fresh. Once I had made my base ready, I'm going to take this peachy shade from Makeup Revolution palette, and just apply into my crease. This eyeshadow look is a little tricky. If you have any questions about it, then I'll make a special video on it, how I made this eye look. So if you, I will try to explain you how I'm doing it, but if you have any of the questions, then please comment below. So this is the look. I'm just going to apply it on my crease, a light peachy look, and then I'm going to go with a really orangey shade. Blend it really well, because when we take bright shade it goes little patchy, but try to blend it with really pointed eyeshadow brush. And if you want any brush reviews, then please comment me below so I can make a video on the brushes. So yeah, we are just going to blend it, and then I'm going to use a red eyeshadow. Yes, I'm going to use a red eyeshadow and use for my corners of my inner corners and outer corners, both the corners, and just going to blend it really nicely. After that, I'm going to take a angle brush with a black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to make a arc, like a circle arc on my outer corner of my lid and the inner corner of my lid. I hope you can see it, and then I'm going to blend it with my brush, my blending brush, a smaller blending brush, blend it really nicely. Then I'm going to add more of the black for my outer corner, and I'm just going to make the black shadow like an intense color. Gradually go on and on with the black color. Whenever you use a black shadow, please be careful so that you don't get it all over your face and all over your lid. You can see I'm just doing the outer corner. I'm not going the inside of the lid. I'm just keeping the black eyeshadow in outer surface only. I'm just telling you in detail so you can get that perfect eye look what I have achieved. Go on and on till you don't get a really black coal like a black eyeshadow to your eye corners, and then you can go with a golden metallic shadow to your center of your lid and just blend the edges of it, and yeah, your look is ready. Then I'm going to wipe my face with the wet wipe really nicely and just make the eyeshadow line like a liner with a crisp line, and just wipe the edges of it and wipe wherever is black fallout is there. Please do wipe that everything, because whenever you put foundation it will just ruin your foundation and just go it grays. So whenever you do a dark eyeshadow, please don't forget to wipe your face so you get a beautiful base like you will see it in further video. And the foundation, I'm going to use the two foundation which is from one is from LA Girl. It is illuminating foundation. It's a beautiful foundation. It is for dry skin types. Oily skin types can be a really too dewy for them, but for dry skin types it's a beautiful foundation. And then I just mix it with some of my Makeup Revolution foundation. This is also a semi dewy foundation, so these two illuminating foundations work on so beautifully on your skin. Now let's complete the eyeshadow and go for the under eyes, and I'm going to use the same peachy shade for my under eyes, and then I'm going to blend it with some of the orange and red, and then for the last I'm going with a little bit of black and just blending it all together and just completing my eye look. Next I'm going to use the same eyeshadow, the golden eyeshadow in my inner corners, and just brighten up my eye, and then I'm going to go with a kajal, waterline and upper waterline, and just blend all the kajal together, and here I completed my eye look. Next I'm going with my eyeliner. Go really close to the eyelashes. This is from NY Babe. I'm just testing it. I'm loving it. If I like it really, then I'm going to review this, but I'm still using this. Let's use and see. And I'm just going to apply I'm just going to go the same line where the eyeshadow is going and draw the liner, and then complete the eye look with the mascara. And the mascara is from Color Bar. This is a really nice mascara. You can invest in it. It costs something 600 to 700. So this is a really nice mascara. You can try it. Next I'm going with a beautiful blush from Maybelline, and this is a peachy coral blush and a blush, and all the links will be given in the description box and you can go and check it out. I'll complete my eyebrows and then go with a little bit of highlighter and Fix Plus and a beautiful lipstick from Matte Me, and the lipstick shade number is red.
My final look, and I hope you like it. So please support, and I love you all. Bye.